What's up, everybody? So it is a beautiful day outside. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope your fitness journey is going well, and hope you are getting outside, getting active, working your body. I just want to make a quick video on some ways to do just that. Just some easy workouts that you can do with just body weight. So all you gotta do if you just want to burn a little bit of fat, or even a lot of fat, depending on how hard you want to work, just get outside, simply jog in place. All you gotta do is just jog in place. Jog in place. And if you guys want, you can follow some of these workouts or follow along with me. You can move around if you want to jog around your neighborhood. But yeah, just get outside and jog. You don't need any equipment, maybe some running shoes, of course your clothes and everything, all that good stuff. So just get outside, jog, move your body around a little bit. And like I said, if you want to, you can follow along with this workout. Like I said, you can jog. If you want to, simply do movements just like this. You're gonna burn all kinds of fat, enhance your mobility, and all that good stuff, guys. And you can do a combination of all of these. Get outside, jog, move your arms, and if you want to, do both arms at the same time. It's gonna increase your, like I said, your flexibility, mobility, and your coordination, And then just get back to jogging. Like I said, guys, an easy way to work out. Don't overcomplicate it at all. Like I said, I'm outside right now, so you can do this inside if you want to. If you don't want to leave your house, if you're a homebody, it's okay. It's okay, but don't use that as an excuse to not work and to not get in shape. All right, we're gonna do some more of those, guys. This is also my workout for the day. I can also use some fat burning, of course. We can all benefit from burning fat, unless you just overly skinny, or if you deem yourself skinny, or whatever the case may be. But everybody can benefit from some sort of cardio. It's good for your heart. If you don't want to burn fat, it's also good for your heart, being able to pump blood throughout the rest of your body. So you can even throw some stuff in there, like some low front kicks. Change it up a little bit. Just like this, guys, just like this. Or, add some high knees in there. It's gonna really accelerate that fat loss. We're just jogging, guys. Like I said, if you wanna, do that little workout, that works. I also have more ideas if you want to get into like more strength training exercises, or body weight HIIT workouts. Got the perfect thing for you. So if you've watched any of my lives before, you've seen me go over to a bench before. Or you can do this in a chair. Like I said, you can do this in a chair, a park bench, bleachers, whatever you got. This thing right here, guys, there's so much you can do right here, and I will definitely demonstrate. So hopefully you can see right there. You got push-ups right here, you got squats right here, seated squats, I should say. You got cardio, all that good stuff. So let's get it. You can do some incline push-ups to get your upper chest worked out and your chest overall. So elevate those feet, get down to the ground. Just do push-ups, guys. Easy. And also, guys, if you want to even add in some cardio with that, like with your strength training, you can jog for a little bit, and then get up and do some push-ups. So let's say jog for 10 seconds, 5 push-ups. So it would look like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Get up. 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you can't do 10, it's okay. Do what you can do. Let's do a couple more sets of that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, this time, guys, we're gonna add in some squats. So I mentioned you can do some squats with this as well, especially if you got you're gonna strengthen that lower body, but you can't really do body weight squats, you got your seat right here to do some assisted squats. No excuses. Build that leg strength. Build that leg strength. All right, so let's jog for 10 seconds, and then we're gonna do 10 seated squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's go. Seated squats. All you gotta do is stand up, sit back down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Back to jogging, guys. And also, to make it a little bit more challenging, do some explosive squats. So what that is, you're basically exploding up off the ground, jumping up in the air with those squats. So jog 10 seconds, explosive squats 10 seconds. Let's go. Or 10 sets, 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 explosive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Like I said, that's one way to add in some cardio, guys, with very minimal equipment. Like I said, this can be done at home. You got you like a wooden chair or a chair that you don't mind getting your feet in. Easy. So another way to add in cardio, doing toe taps. So just tapping your toes just like that, guys. Tapping those toes, and then from there, hop down, do some push-ups. Easy, guys, easy, easy, easy. So let's do 2 sets, 20 toe taps, 10 push-ups. Let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 push-ups, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Pop back up. Toe taps. Let's go. You can take you some breaks too if you need to. Take some breaks if you need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Pop down. Do your push-ups. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, guys, like I said, like I always say, keep your workout simple. Nothing wrong with going to the gym, but don't think that you need the gym to get into amazing shape. I don't have a gym membership as a reason to not get in shape or to not work out at all. I just demonstrated some ways to make it easy that you can do at home, and at the park, or in your garage, wherever you want to go. So hopefully this helps you along your journey. As always, y'all know I have more ideas. Y'all know love me some burpees. So in a second here, once I catch my breath, we're going to do some burpees. But that's another thing about it, guys. Take some time to rest between these sets. You don't have to go hard all the time. You know, do what you can do. Do maybe 10 push-ups, 20 toe taps, rest for 2 minutes. It's okay. Do what works for you. Do the work that's within your means and within your limits. One thing about getting in shape is like you don't want to overdo it, because if you're out there fainting, snapping up legs, snapping ligaments, tearing muscles, and all kinds of crazy stuff, that ain't healthy. That's not getting in shape. You're actually hindering your body's ability to get in shape because you're breaking stuff, and then now you gotta spend some time recovering, not working out. So keep it easy, guys. Don't overcomplicate it, and like I said, just do what works. Like I said, all these workouts require little to no equipment whatsoever. So yeah, do it, guys. And like I said, y'all know, if you've been a part of the channel or following the channel for some time now, you know I love me some burpees, because burpees gets your strength training in there and your cardio at the exact same time, and you can make them fancy if you want to. You know, adding in a jump, adding in, you know, knee raises or knee ins, whatever you want to call them, adding in extra push-ups, You can do some damage with some burpees, guys. So let's go ahead and bust out 10 of them real quick. 10 burpees real quick. Let's go. That's one. You can add in the jogging there too, guys, to enhance the cardio aspect. That's 2. Hopefully y'all can see me. Let me lower my camera a little bit. I'm not sure if y'all can see me or not. Hopefully you were able to see those first 2. We got 8 more left. And like I said, guys, follow along with this workout if you want to. If not, edit it. Make it yours. Make it work for you. Do what's easy. That's 3. We got 7 more. That's 4. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. 5. We got 5 more. Keep it going, guys. Keep it going. 6. It's 7. 8. 9. 10. Feeling pretty good, guys. Feeling pretty good. Add in some burpees to your routine, guys. Add in some burpees. You can do it with any type of routine. If you're weightlifting, if you're powerlifting, the perfect way to get your cardio in there. Like I said, everybody needs cardio. Everybody needs some kind of cardio. I don't care what nobody says. I know a lot of people say that it kills your muscle gains and breaks down muscle. That's not the case, guys. It actually makes your muscles show up a little bit more because you're burning the fat around those muscles. And also you're supplying your heart with the right nutrients. And actually, I don't want to get all scientific because I don't know the actual facts, but your heart plays a role in muscle building and protein synthesis and pumping blood and blood transporting nutrients to the muscle. So yeah, your heart needs to be strong, especially when you're building muscle or powerlifting to get stronger. You need to get your cardio in there, guys. So perfect way to do that is any of these workouts that you saw in this video, or burpees. Burpees are great. Burpees are your friend. Burpees are your friend. All right, guys, but I definitely appreciate you guys joining in on this workout. Hopefully you got you some good insight out of it. We're gonna go in and call this thing done. If you liked this style of content and got some value out of it, let me know down in the comments, and it would help tremendously if you left a like, but definitely not required. Hopefully I reach somebody and help somebody out. That's what's most important. We're trying to get in shape in here, or out here and in here. All of that. Yeah, guys, subscribe to the channel, join in on the journey, get you some insight, and hey, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, on the next video.